Oke. Before I share the presentation or the lesson today, Sir Juan just want to see just want to see your progress, but I don't give a point for this time. I will give point for you after June.
Waktu itu sampai nomor 6 kan?
Oh yes, until number 6, box number 6. Okay, Big Diver class. I want to see your class. We have virtual class ya. This is the name is virtual class. Kita punya kelas virtual in typing ya. Big Diver. Big Diver class. Okay, I want to see your progress. Wow, Agnes still 3. Big Diver 2 still not yet joined. Brilliant. Cedric 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 6.
Sorry, sir, I forgot to do the 6, 1 and 5.
Okay, the important one later after Zoom. After Zoom, I want to see again if you.
Sir, sorry, Brilliant not yet finished the typing because the laptop is dipakai mama sama papa, sir.
Okay, all time, Brilliant. When in the night, I think you can use, or in the evening.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir. When in evening, my mom bring the laptop to work in pekerjaannya, sir.
Oh yeah.
Malam-malam, my dad is use the.
Okay, Brilliant. Okay, for this time, it is okay. You don't get the point, but I hope, yeah, next time if you have laptop, if you can use the laptop, you can do it all, ya. Jadi kalau yes, like Brilliant, I think Brilliant punya waktu terbatas ya, have limit time to use laptop. Jadi ketika when you have laptop, ketika laptop itu bisa kamu gunakan, you can do all, kamu maksimalkan, kerjakan semua. Nah, jadi if Sir Juan give assignment, kalau Sir Juan nanti give assignment pada kalian, harus sampai box number 8 di example contohnya. Kamu siapkan aja sampai box sampai nomor 15 atau nomor berapa, bahkan siapkan semua. Jadi kamu tidak mengerjakan lagi, tinggal menerima poin saja. Jadi use your time, gunakanlah waktunya sebaik mungkin. If you have laptop, ketika ada laptop nganggur, kamu gunakan, kamu pakai. For all student ya, semua juga yang lain mungkin waktu menggunakan laptop itu terbatas buat kalian. Maybe used by your father or mother or sister or brother ya, I don't know ya. Tapi if you have time to use your laptop, please use it. Gunakan itu dengan sebaik mungkin, as good as possible. Understand ya? Brilliant.
Understand, sir.
Okay, later I will give ya. Wow, ini tanggung sekali macam Ibrena, 6 already ya. Okay, Kelin already. Nadia, Rafael, ini two box more ya. Vincent, look at like Vincent seperti ini, Vincent. Already finish ya. Jadi Vincent ini beberapa kali assignment Sir Juan dia sudah selesai semua. Ya, jadi gunakanlah. If you have laptop, if you have time to do your typing, ya gunakan sebaik mungkin. Okay, students, later I will give point for the student if have finished until number 6 ya. I don't give today because we want to discuss about the review. Okay, focus on your screen and your paper ya, kid. Okay, look at this one. Sir Juan, ya, we have learning objective today, tujuan pembelajaran kita review and kisi-kisi soal. We will discuss about this one. And students, you can see here, assignment, no assignment today. I don't give your assignment, yeah, because I know next week you do exam, yeah, and I hope you focus on your exam. So I don't give you assignment for typing and for the other. Yang lainnya juga saya nggak kasih tugas. Oke, students, grade 4 ya. Grade 4 itu kita pengenalan tentang input process and output devices. I hope you still remember this one, kid. Input devices such keyboard, computer mouse, joystick, scanner, barcode reader, light pen, etc. Ya, those are input devices. And please understand of the definition of them. Jadi Serjuan maunya juga kamu pahami ya, understand what the definition of them. The example, kid, keyboard is the most common input device used to input letter, number, and other character in a computer. And this is also processing device like. Ya, ini processing device itu, ya kalau tadi input devices, you know this one. Processing device, CPU, ya Central Processing Unit. And we can also tell that as the brain of computer, sebagai otak komputer ya. Jadi CPU itu sebagai otak komputer. And also output devices such as monitor, printer, loudspeaker, and projector. Ya, students, output devices, this one, the example ya. Ini contoh-contoh dari output devices. And please understand the definition of them. Projector is an output devices that project an image onto a large surface, such as widescreen or wall. Ya, jadi ini pengertian atau definisi from projector. Okay, part of CPU. Last time we have studied also about part of CPU ya, kid. CPU divided in 3 ya, into 3. Ya, jadi dibagi menjadi 3 bagian, kid, CPU ya. The first is ALU, CU, ya, and MU. Ya, ALU, CU, and MU. And you must know stand for what? ALU stand for arithmetic logic unit. CU control unit, and MU memory unit. The student. And we also have studied about desktop background and screensaver. Yeah, this one. The step how to change desktop background and use screensaver. I hope you still remember this one. Yeah, how to change your desktop background and use screensaver. And also we already study about file and folder, ya, kid. Understand about file, name, primary and secondary name. Yeah, I already explained to you. I have explained to you about primary and secondary name. Name and the definition of file and folder. Okay, students. This is also about memory. Yeah, computer memory. Yeah, computer memory have 2, yeah. Have primary also, primary memory, and have secondary memory. Yeah, memory unit is the storage capacity of computer. Computer memory is measured in terms of byte. Ya, yang lalu Serjuan sudah jelaskan byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, sampai dia banyak itu ya. Ada dexabyte juga. Oke, jadi istilah ukuran dalam komputer memori itu menggunakan byte. We use byte, ya, kita menggunakan byte. Different, berbeda dengan kalau kilometer, jarak. Jarak, kalau istilah di jarak itu jarak tempuh dari sini ke Manhattan 5 km di example. Ya, kita gunakan kilometer ya. But in memory, komputer memori itu bukan kilometer, bukan detik, bukan menit, tetapi dia menggunakan byte, namanya byte. Okay, 2 types of computer memory. The first is primary and the second is secondary, ya, secondary memory. And you must know primary memory. Ya, di sini kadang banyak yang terjebak. Primary memory of a 2 type. Ya, di dalam primary memory itu ada 2 jenis, RAM and ROM. Ya. Okay, the example of secondary memory such as floppy disk, yeah, seperti hard disk, flash drive, etc. Itu contoh daripada secondary memory. Okay, now we going to kisi-kisi soal. Okay, I will choose you ya, kid. Please prepare yourself and prepare your pen and paper. Yeah, sister, what you want to speak?
Luis.
Okay, Luis. Okay, Luis. What, Luis?
I already that, sir. Already that all.
Already answer all.
Yes, already all.
Okay, good. Later we see ya, that's right or not ya. Okay. Jadi kita lihat nanti Luis, that's right or not ya. Kita akan diskusikan. Okay, sister, you raise hand. What you want to speak?
Gimana cara mengukur satu memori, sir?
What, sister? Gimana?
Gimana kita ukur satu memori, sir?
Oh, kita bukan bisa mengukur, kita hanya bisa melihat berapa isinya, kapasitasnya. Ya, how kita like the example secondary memory seperti tadi flash drive atau flash disk. Kita colokkan ke USB komputer atau laptop dan di situ bisa kita lihat berapa kapasitasnya, besarnya, berapa giga di dalam itu. Kita nggak bisa membuat besaran itu memang sudah bawaannya berapa giga dia. Jadi kita bisa lihat klik properties ya, klik properties, nanti kita lihat di situ bisa berapa besarnya. Oke. Coba begini, sister, like this, sister. Like this ya, sister, ini have volume D. Ini ya. Ini saya buat dua partisi, dua di memori komputer saya ini, hard disk saya bagi dua, satu C, satu D. Jadi kalau we want to know berapa besar di D ini, ya kita right click aja, right click and properties. Di sini bisa kita lihat di sini. Di sini have 124 giga yang masih kosong, and yang terpakai 9 giga,64. Dan semuanya itu sekitar 133 gigabyte yang di kolom, yang di volume D, yang di tadi. Nah, jadi bisa kita lihat seperti ini, sister, berapa giga memori kita, ya?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, my pleasure. Okay, students. Now we discuss about this, yeah. Okay, I choose first Rafael. Rafael number 1, please.
Is a device that transfers the data such as hand-drawn picture or text, photographic prints, posters, and magazine page into the computer. D. Scanner.
Transfer data such as hand-drawn picture or text, photograph, printer, poster, and magazine page into a computer. The answer is D. Okay, student, what do you think with Rafael's answer? That's right or not?
Yes, sir. It's true, sir.
True, yeah, that's right. Okay. The next number, Nadia, please. Sorry, number 2.
This is an example of output device.
Okay, what picture is this, Nadia?
Monitor, sir.
Okay, monitor. We know monitor is output devices. Yeah.
Device.
So the answer is?
Output device, sir.
Yeah, B. B, yeah. Okay, this one D. Okay, we continue. Okay, sister, number 3.
It's a set of lines of different things.
Okay, unmute for the other students. Yang lainnya unmute dulu. Ya, please, sister, continue.
Expands number. Answer.
A. Keyboard. Keyboard. Your answer? Tester. Okay. Coba I ask for the other students. Sister friends, what do you think?
No.
Answer
No.
is keyboard.
Barcode reader.
No,
Barcode
sir.
reader, sir. Barcode reader, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Sister, I hope you that after this you know ya the right answer is barcode reader ya. Jadi dia thickness. Thickness itu seperti garis-garis ya yang mewakili daripada angka itu yang dibaca oleh barcode reader ya. Ketika I can say this when you shop ya, shopping biasanya di mall di mana itu when you want to pay yaitu ada barcode readernya. Nah, dia bisa muncul price-nya di situ. Oke. Oke, so the answer is barcode reader. Oke, Ella, number 4.
CPU stand for CPUs, Central Processing Unit.
Central Processing Unit. Oke, students, almost the answer same ya, hampir sama ya. Ini hampir bisa terjebak kalau nggak hati-hati. You must be careful in this one ya, harus lebih hati-hati. Ya, Central Processing Unit, not Central Processing United, and not Central Procedure Unit, and not Center Processing Unit, tapi Central Processing Unit. Ya, I think the option pilihan seperti ini, the option like this one, ya ini kadang terjebak ya. Jadi must be careful ya, harus lebih hati-hati kalian seperti ini. Oke. The next students, I choose Vincent, please. Number 5.
The printout from the printer is called the blank. Wait, sir. Hard copy, sir.
Hard copy, print out, ya. You must know print out and you must know hard copy and soft copy ya. Print out itu yang di print ya, like this. Ini sudah di print, ini kertas di print out. Dan ini hard, ini sudah keras, artinya kita bisa sentuh. Hard copy itu bisa kita pegang, kita lihat dan kita sentuh. Ya, print out. Oke, that's good ya. Print out from the printer is hard copy. Oke. Good, Vincent. Continue, number 6. Cedric, number 6.
The output that is displayed on the monitor is called soft copy, sir.
Iya, soft copy. Ini kebalikan ya. Opposite of hard copy. Soft copy output that display on monitor. Just we can see. Ya kan? Soft copy only see. Hanya kita lihat saja. We cannot touch. Kita nggak bisa pegang. Ya, kita hanya bisa melihat saja. But kalau hard copy we can touch ya. Kita bisa sentuh, bisa kita pegang ya. Itu perbedaan soft copy and hard copy. Oke, good answer, Cedric. The next. Okay, Jose, please. Jose, number 7.
Yes, sir. CPU is basically divided into 3 parts. 1 ALU, 2 CU, and 3 MU, sir.
MU ya. Ya, ALU, CU, MU. Ya. ALU. Ya, arithmetic logic unit CU. Oke, nanti ada berikutnya ya. Oke, good ya. MU. Oke. The next number. I choose Ibrena. Number 8.
CU stand for control unit, sir. C.
Okay, C ya, control unit ya. Like this one also student, you must be careful ya. Harus lebih hati-hati juga ya, because the option pilihannya semua ya hampir sama ya, almost same. Oke. Okay, the next number 9. Okay, Kaylin, please, Kaylin.
There are two types of computer memory, namely buffer, RAM, and ROM.
There are two types of computer memory, namely B, RAM, and ROM. What do you think, students? The other student, that's right.
The answer is A, sir.
Secondary and primary memory.
Okay, okay, Kelin. Kelin, you must focus here, ya. There are two types of computer memory. And before just now, Sir John already explained to you about computer memory. Computer memory have two types, ya. Primary and secondary, or secondary and primary, ya. Dibalik itu, it's okay ya, no problem. Kalau RAM and ROM, that's in primary memory, ya, Kelin. Ya, jadi kalau RAM and ROM itu di primary memory. Tapi kalau computer memory itu dua, primary and secondary memory. So the answer, the right answer is A, ya, secondary and primary memory. Okay, the next I choose Brilliant, number 10.
Yes, sir. Flash drive is example of blank memory.
Secondary, sir.
No, I choose Brilliant. Brilliant. What is your answer?
These are
D. B or D?
B. Just now, Brilliant say B.
Oh, B, secondary. Okay, I hope you, if you want to answer, please tell the letter and read. Yeah, B, secondary. Like that, yeah. Don't just say A, B, C, D, yeah. B, secondary memory. Okay, thank you, Brilliant. That's right, yeah, right answer. Okay, number 10 is B. The next number 11. I give time to Audira, please.
One of steps to change desktop background is right-click on desktop, plus click on blank option in shortcut menu. Depersonalize.
Okay, depersonalize. Okay, that's the step. Ya, one of step to change desktop background. Salah satu, ya, langkah untuk mengganti desktop background is right click on desktop. Ya, kalau kamu right click, have like this one, ada seperti ini. Ya, this is shortcut menu, and click on. Ya, we choose personalize. Ya, personalize in shortcut menu. So the answer is D. That's right, Audira.
Nice.
Okay, next, number 12, Kisra. Wow, Kisra, how are you, Kisra? Are you okay?
Okay, sir.
Kisra, before I give you time to answer, sir want to ask about your project first. Gimana, Kisra?
What, sir?
Project Kisra have finished. Not yet, ya?
Yes, sir.
Later after Zoom, coba Kisra after Zoom coba nanti chat setujuan ya, Japri ya, because this is already review week ya, next week already exam ya, Kisra ya, nanti chat setujuan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kisra, number 12, please read.
Steps to use a screensaver are right click on the desktop, plus select personalize option from shortcut menu, plus the personalization window appears, and then click plus screensaver setting.
Okay, the answer.
A. Lock screen. B. Color. C. Themes. D. Fonts.
Okay, your answer, Kisra.
A. Lock screen.
A, lock screen. Okay, kita mau screensaver setting ya. We want to make screensaver setting ya, screensaver. So you click lock screen, this one ya, lock screen. That the answer ya. Kita mau mengatur screensavernya. Okay, good answer, Kisra. Okay, number 13, Moria, please Moria. Oh, Moria no respond. Fania, please Fania. Number 13, I continue to Fania. Okay, unmute Fania.
The blank 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 are asked to classify
Use to class.
filter in a computer.
Yeah, the blank blank are used to classify file in a computer. The answer?
C. Folders, sir.
C. Folders. Okay, the answer folder. Yeah, folders. Yeah, this one. Okay, the next number I give to Dita. Please, Dita. 14.
The first name of file. It can be any name given by the user. It's called primary name.
Okay, your answer, primary name. Okay, good ya. Primary names ya. The first name ya. Jadi yang first name of file, it can be any name given by user. Jadi name yang pertama itu bisa diberi nama apa saja oleh pengguna, itu disebut primary name ya. Kalau yang secondary name-nya nggak bisa karena sudah otomatis ya. Oke, number 15. I give to Luis 15. Okay, Luis, please. Luis Nanta Panjaitan. Unmute Luis.
Yes, sir.
Number 15.
Every file has two names. Blank 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 name and blank 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 name.
Okay. What is your answer?
Primary and secondary.
Okay. Primary name and secondary name. Okay. So you choose C, yeah? Okay, that's right answer, Luis. Good answer, Luis. Okay, Keisha, please, Keisha, number 16, Keisha. Okay, unmute, Keisha.
File is give a name. It is known as blank blank blank.
Yeah.
B. File name.
Okay, your answer is B, file name. Each file is given a name. Jadi setiap file itu diberi nama. Itu disebut dengan file name. Ya, file names ya. Given, ya itu diberi nama disebut dengan file names. Okay, good answer. Okay, students, finish about kisi-kisi soal yang we have discussed about kisi-kisi soal. So I want to try again. Just now, Moria. Okay, Moria, can you hear me, Moria? Oh, Moria cannot hear me. Evelyn Watuka. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Evelyn. Sir want to ask again this one. Okay, please answer number. Okay, number 9, please, number 9. Can you answer number 9? Evelyn, where are you?
But sir, my camera bad connection.
Okay, I wait for you, yeah. Okay, beside we waiting for you, Audira, how are you, Audira? Okay, Audira, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Audira, also, Audira, I want to ask about your project, Audira. Have you finished?
Project yang mana, sir?
Oh, Audira, I already sent to your WhatsApp. Tanggal 1 September. Okay, Audira and Kisra, ya. In this class, Big Dipper, Audira and Kisra, I don't see your project. So later ya, after this, Kisra and Audira chat Sir Juan ya. Coba nanti kita chattingan Japri ya, because this is KI 4 ya. Di rapot ada nanti nilainya. Oke, Audira. Oke, coba kamu lihat juga bisa your WhatsApp. Sir Juan already sent to you the project last time ya. Okay, Evelyn, Evelyn just now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please. Number 9.
There are two types of computer memory, namely blank 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 memory. A, secondary and primary. B, RAM and ROM. C, secondary and external. D, primary and internal.
Okay, choose one.
RAM and ROM, sir.
Wow. Student, just now what I give the answer, the right answer.
Secondary and primary memory, sir. And primary, sir.
Okay. Students ya, please ya. Please memorize this one. Ingat ya, kid. Ingat. I hope you remember this one ya. Jadi jangan lagi salah. Kita kan sudah discuss ya. We have discussed about the answer. So I hope you for the next time don't make the wrong answer again. Ya. Okay. Isabel, I want to try Isabel again. Number 11, Isabel. Please.
One of steps to change desktop background is right-click on desktop, click on personalize option in shortcut menu.
Okay, good ya, Isabel ya. Okay, this one ya. Okay, students. If you have question, please ask me now. Yeah, we have 1 minute more. About kisi-kisi and review, or maybe our exam next week. Yeah, I hope you can answer all of the question. You have good answer, yeah, right answer. Yeah, sister.
Itu sir, central processing unit selalu ada di apa sir? Di Google Form sir. Setiap kali dikerjakan sir. Jawabannya selalu di Google Form sir.
Okay, yeah. Some question ya, sister ya. I make a repetition. Saya buat selalu pengulangan. Ada beberapa ya, some question ya. Itu I make supaya kamu ingat ya, ya CPU. Because CPU ini Central Processing Unit only one ya. Jadi processing device itu only CPU ya. Jadi kadang salah some student itu berpikir CPU itu dibuatnya seperti input devices, like input devices. Padahal CPU itu adalah process device ya. Oke. Okay, sister.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you, sister, for remind me. Okay, student, already finished, yeah? I think enough for today. I hope you can do your exam as good